Hello students, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today's topic is Basic Proportionality Theorem. The statement of the theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides at two distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Suppose that ABC is a triangle in which line segment PQ is parallel to BC. Line PQ, which is parallel to the side BC, intersecting the other two sides at point P and Q respectively. So we have to prove that ratio of AP to BP is equals to ratio of AQ to QC. That is, AP upon BP is equals to AQ upon QC. Now, in order to prove this theorem, we have to draw a construction. We draw perpendicular from point P to line AC, that is PM perpendicular AC, and draw another perpendicular from point Q on line AP, that is QN perpendicular AB. QN perpendicular AB. We join point B and Q and points P and C. अब इस थ्योरम को प्रूफ करने के लिए AP और PB का रेशियो निकालने के लिए हम लोग एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल APQ और एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BPQ का रेशियो निकालेंगे. सो प्रूफ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल APQ which is equals to half base. AP is the base. AP and half base into perpendicular, so AP is the base and QN is the perpendicular. Equation number 1, area of triangle BPQ half base is BP and perpendicular is QN. Equation number 2. Now ratio of area of triangle APQ to area of triangle BPQ. APQ to area of triangle BPQ, which is equals to half into AP into QN upon half into BP into QN. Half and half will cancel out, QN and QN will also cancel out, giving AP upon BP. Equation number 3. Similarly, AQ अपॉन QC का रेशियो निकालने के लिए हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल APQ एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQC का रेशियो निकालेंगे. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल APQ is equals to half base is AQ. Now here base is AQ and perpendicular is PM. Equation 4. Area of triangle PQC is equals to half into QC into PM. 5. Equation 4 divided by equation 5. So ratio of area of triangle APQ to area of triangle PQC is equals to half into AQ into PM upon half into QC into PM. Here half and half will cancel out, PM and PM will cancel out, giving AQ upon QC. 6. अब जो हम प्रूफ करेंगे वो है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BPQ इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQC. देखिए एरिया ट्रायंगल BPQ और ट्रायंगल PQC दे बोथ लाई ऑन द सेम बेस PQ and between the same parallel lines PQ and BC, so their areas will be equal. Since triangle BPQ and triangle PQC lie between same parallel lines having same base PQ, therefore area of triangle PQC is equals to area of triangle BPQ. Equation 7. From equation 6 and 7, area triangle APQ upon area of PQ's triangle PQC can be replaced by area of triangle BPQ because both the areas are same. So in place of area of triangle PQC, we can write area of triangle BPQ. So area of triangle BPQ equals to AQ upon AC. Now from equation 3 and equation 7, both equation have their left side equal, so their right side will be also equal. From 3 and 7, AP upon BP is equals to AQ upon QC. So in this way we can prove this theorem that AP upon BP is equals to AQ upon QC. Here AP upon BP is equals to AQ upon QC. So this is all for today. We will very soon meet in next video. Till then, thank you.